In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn everything about 215/50/12 golf cart tires. We have sold over 1 million golf cart tires here at the golfcarttiresupply.com. And when it comes to 12-inch golf cart wheels, some owners don't want the low profile ride style that a 215/40/12 tire will provide. And that's where 215/50/12 ComfortRide tires come to the rescue. And there's a few reasons why this taller tire size is so popular for 12-inch golf cart wheels. The first reason is that 215/50/12 golf cart tires fit many golf carts without a lift kit. So 215/50/12 tires stand 20.5 inches tall. And next to your factory fleet golf cart tires, you can tell they're about 2.5 inches taller. Your factory wheel and tire assembly is an 8-inch wheel on an 18-inch tall tire. So you can see right there about 2.5 inches of extra height on the 215/50/12. And many carts actually have no problem fitting this size tire without a lift kit. And that would include all E-Z-Go golf carts, your TXTs, your RXVs, most newer Yamahas like Yamaha G29 and Drive and the Yamaha Drive 2, and then all Evolution EV golf carts. They can all fit this size tire, a 20.5 inch tire, with no lift kit and no problem. For other carts, such as club car golf carts, Precedent, Tempo, Onward, your older Yamaha G Series carts like G22 and earlier, and then of course Icon EV carts, which are newer, any of those carts will require a 3-inch lift kit to fit 20.5 inch tall tires, but it's worth it for the comfort that you get out of this tire size. And the reason the tires are so popular in the first place is many carts, like I said, can't fit them without a lift kit. The second reason is the amazing ride quality that 215/50/12 golf cart tires provide. So when you're moving up from an 8-inch wheel like your factory assembly to a 12-inch golf cart wheel, typically you're moving up to a low profile golf cart tire that will fit all carts, such as a 215/40/12 golf cart tire. With the 215/50/12, it still fits most carts, but this is actually considered a medium profile tire. And you can see your factory assembly has about 5 inches of sidewall height. 215/50/12 tires have about 4.2 inches of sidewall height. So very similar to a factory assembly, and it's gonna give you that nice soft ride, hence the name ComfortRide for this particular tire size. The third reason is that 215/50/12 golf cart tires are turf safe. And the reason that they're turf safe is that on average, they all have a tread depth of about 6 to 7 millimeters. And that's how deep the tread blocks are here when you're looking down at the top of the tire or just over the shoulder of the tire. And you can even see that the 215/50/12 tire has a very similar tread depth to your factory sawtooth golf cart tires. So the 6 to 7 millimeter tread depth on all 215/50/12 tires means that they're safe enough for even the nicest country clubs in the world, and they're definitely safe enough for use at your local golf course. And the fourth reason is that almost all the major brands out there make this tire size. So you have tons of options to choose from, and you can get a great price on a set of 215/50/12 golf cart tires. Some of the most popular ones we sell are Wanda 215/50/12s. We sell Arison 215/50/12s. We sell the Trex 215/50/R12. That's their Comfort Glide tire. We also sell Excel 215/50/12s and many other brands. I mean, every brand makes this tire size, and it's for a good reason. The last consideration before you buy a set of 215/50/12 golf cart tires is, do you want a regular bias ply tire or do you want a radial golf cart tire? So the regular bias ply tires are gonna be stamped in the sidewall 215/50/12, just like that, while a radial tire like this Trex Comfort Glide tire will be stamped 215/50/R12. And what the radial means, it's referring to the construction of the tire. So this tire actually has steel belts in it. And what that means is they're gonna ride a bit smoother, they're gonna last quite a bit longer than a bias ply tire, and they're gonna allow your cart to have a higher top speed because they can handle it due to their construction. But they do cost a bit more. They're a little more expensive because they have those steel belts inside of them. No matter what 215/50/12 tire you choose, this is one of the most popular tire sizes on the market for good reason. It fits on many carts without a lift kit. It's extremely comfortable in its ride quality, and it works at every single golf course because it's turf safe. So if you want a more comfortable ride on your 12-inch golf cart wheels, rest assured you can't go wrong choosing a 215/50/12 tire for your golf cart. We hope this tire video helped you out a lot. If it did, please drop us a like because it helps out our channel. Subscribe to our channel because we have lots of cool golf cart content coming your way. And please head over to GolfCarTireSupply.com to get new wheels and tires for your golf cart. We have the coolest stuff ever, and we really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. Take care.